This is not just a flower for Valentine's Day, this is a rose and it's big business. Buying and selling flowers is a massive global industry, and Aalsmeer market in Holland is the biggest supplier in the world. It's the size of 200 football pitches, making it the biggest commercial property anywhere on the planet. Every morning, hundreds of trucks, lorries and vans arrive from all over Europe. Their fragile cargo consists of over 20 million cut flowers and potted plants. Once they've been unloaded, they're stored in refrigerated warehouses. To keep track of who's buying and selling, detailed information is assigned to the individual lots in each shipment. They're then loaded onto these carriages to be taken to the auction rooms. With the paperwork complete, hundreds of workers organise the carriages into orderly queues and join them up. This trolley system is what helps Aalsmeer's huge operation run so smoothly. From the moment the auctions begin till the last flowers are sold at night, these carts will trundle through the vast warehouses. There's over 16.2 kilometers of track in here, and their job is to bring the carriages to one place, the auction room. In the course of a year, over 1.7 billion roses, more than 600 million tulips, and millions of other assorted flowers and pot plants are sold here. Quality control is vital to Aalsmeer's success. With so many plants on offer, the buyers must be able to assess the produce quickly. Experts at Aalsmeer take samples from each seller and grade them. Everything from colour and smell to the plant's frailty is assessed. The buyers depend on this vital information for making their decisions. Once they're armed with the facts, they can start shopping. The flowers are wheeled past on the carriages, and a display tells the buyers what the plants are, who grew them and their value. But unlike normal auctions, bids are made as the price goes down, not up. Like any auction, the trick at Aalsmeer is timing. If you bid too early, you may pay too much. If you wait too long for a lower price, the flowers might sell out. It's not for the faint-hearted. Mistakes can be made, but most of the buyers here are experienced operators. All the bidding information is fed to the master salesman. He will then assign the buyer's information to the plants as they leave the hall. The staff attach the information to the carriages so the plants can be delivered to the right lorries for transportation. Using motorised trolleys, a different team can now deliver the flowers directly to the buyers' vans. Using the stickers that have been placed with each lot after they were bought, the drivers are able to find the right buyer. All the buyers have to do now is check their delivery tallies with what they've paid for. Any plants that are damaged or not right can be sent back, but if all's well, it can be loaded up and delivered to their stores. Hundreds of lorries leave this depot every day to stock florists all over Europe. For some flowers, however, the journey is far longer. To ensure they aren't damaged on their travels, they're wrapped in a protective layer of cellophane before they're shipped off. Aalsmeer attracts buyers from all over the globe, and some of these flowers are destined for some very exclusive vases in countries halfway around the world. These shipments are loaded onto planes in the evening, and by morning can be as far away as Moscow or even Tokyo. So the next time you're buying a bouquet, it's highly likely that it may have made the long journey to you via the Aalsmeer flower market.